goals that you wish to achieve this year? Have you tried to stick with your New Year's resolutions in the past, only to find that after a few days, weeks, or months your motivation becomes lacking? Are you looking for an easy-to-implement solution to help you stay focused and keep on track towards your goals this year? Join me on January 10th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time for a live workshop hosted via Zoom. Learn all about hypnosis and the theory of mind. Find out all about how your subconscious mind helped you to create the problems, and how you can use the power of your subconscious mind to make positive changes to help you reach the goals that you desire this year. Check out the full event details and register your virtual seat today. Spaces are filling up fast, and we do have limited seating.